Hello guys, I would like to introduce to you my director, Stewart. Say, very handsome man. And our manager, other side, right side. Check there. Manager Christopher. Okay. Very nice. This is our laydown area. Okay. Now rainy season. And this our direction going to back storage area.